Hi guys, so it's been 2 years and I make some changes in the garage. So I just want to show you, after 2 years, what are my experience in this garage slash man cave that I have here. So as you can see, everything is now more or less have its place and it's quite full. You wouldn't believe how much stuff you have after a couple of restorations and all the tools and stuff like that. I'm still trying not to put anything in the garage what is not connected with this hobby of mine. I made a new shelves to use this space beneath this shelf, and I put the old motorcycle chains to prevent stuff from falling down from these shelves, and my plan is to put it all the way back there, to put it with these chains. I still haven't made the light from the right and left here. I have wires and everything, but still not be able, don't have time to do that because I ride a lot my Yamaha. And basically I'm preparing for the winter, so the tool setup is almost the same. I just put this, for screws and small stuff and stuff like that. I still need to label it. I have this old school medicine cabinet that I bought for some, couple of euros on the flea market here. I added a few more magnets before because they proved to be the best way to organize everything, except of course these old school wrenches that I put here. So this shelf is becoming well, I still didn't quite organize it, but here will be something that I use often, and on this shelf that I have problem, to reach to because the bike is on the way. I will put the stuff that I don't use so often. I clean this shelf from all other stuff, so I have here, for the tools, electrical tools and stuff like that. And this is some drinking slash food area. Here I'm making this wall of memories, from the motorcycle happenings and stuff like that. Here is the same, I didn't change anything here. I think I'm finished with that. I still need to finish this, to close this gap here, maybe with this wood, but I'm not so sure. And I bought this, I don't know how you call it, but where you have space to put under for equipment and everything, and you can sit on there. This will go away. This is just a mini wash that I need to take away from here. I put this new, just put screws so I can put the gloves I even got this plate from US, so it's Texas truck plate. Very rare here, I'm very glad to have it. I put some more details on the top of this part and, you know, just arrange everything. This mirror is bought after I put this, you know, electrical pipes, and it's like in millimeter in there, like it's made for it, so I'm very glad for that. Next thing I will put on here, I will put these two L profiles, you know, so they can hold my heater. And I put here a fire extinguisher, of course. And this I cleaned today. The maybe biggest job that I need to done is to put some shelves there. I will have just maybe 40 centimeters in depth, but it will be just fine, and because I cannot waste such a large space there, so I'll put like 3 shelves with on the wheels. I must say, you need every 3 months, even if you putting the stuff back and everything, you just need to, you know, organize everything every 3 or 4 months. Simply because, you know, a lot of things you put just to put them away, and then, you know, you need to find a place for it. And but the garage is functioning very well. I have space to work on my bike and on my Yamaha, and simply I move it outside when I need the bench in the middle, and if I'm working on Kawasaki here. So for now everything is quite cozy and functioning well, and I found a good space for everything. I think these helmet holders are functioning very well. Well, I have maybe too much equipment here, but you know, it's just that time of the year when I ride a lot, so yeah, a lot of t-shirts and stuff like that I just put it there. That's it for now. I hope you like it. See you guys.